How to redeem Just Eat gift card. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can redeem Just Eat gift card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up the browser and in the search bar, type in Just Eat and search for it. Then head over to the first thing on your interface, that is www.justeat.co.uk, and then click on it. That's gonna take you to their official website. So once you're here, you have to log in into your account. Head over to the login button, click on login and then log in into your account. Enter your login credential and then log in into your account. So once you are logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right. From there, you have to select redeem a gift card. Then you'll be taken into next page where you can enter your 16-digit gift card code. So enter your correct code. After that, click on redeem. Then the value will be added to your Just Eat account balance. Now you can order food and your gift card balance will be applied at checkout automatically. So that's the way to redeem your Just Eat gift card. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.